Have you seen the LeMieux products, the LeMieux ear bonnets and the saddle pads and the boots? They have boots for horses too, and they also have stuff for riders like shirts and jackets. They even have helmet covers. And every fall and spring, LeMieux brings out some new colors, and I am so excited because I got my own LeMieux saddle pad and ear bonnet. And that is what is in here, and I'm super excited to share it with you right now. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said in the beginning, I have an unboxing video or an unbagging video for you today. And this is something that I bought from LeMieux. Now I have bought LeMieux products before, but typically I'll buy them from Riding Warehouse or Dover Saddlery because I can usually find them. But this is one of the new fall colors that they have. And I tried my usual places to get it and they didn't have it yet. So I went directly to LeMieux's website, which is awesome by the way. They have all of the different saddle pads, ear bonnets, everything that LeMieux makes, they have it on their website. And even though they're located in the UK, they actually ship to the US. So that is what is in here. So let's open up this bag so you can see what color I got. What color do you think I chose? There's two colors for fall 2020. What do you think it is? Oh, it's kind of open. This is really pretty. It's so bright. Oh my gosh, that's like electric. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm so impressed with this. This is beautiful. So as you can see, I chose the ink blue saddle pad from LeMieux. And I really like how Pleasant looks in navy. So I decided I really wanted the ink blue for him. And I saw lots of pictures on dark horses and it looked really nice. So I really thought this would be a good color for Pleasant. And looking at it in person, I'm so happy that I chose this. So this is the LeMieux Lorie saddle pad. It's a close contact saddle square in ink blue, and it has the memory foam collar on it as well. And I really like the Lorie saddle pads. They're very soft, they're very nice, and they hold up really well. It even has leather on the area where your girth goes, so it won't destroy your saddle pad. And it has a bamboo lining. So the part that comes into contact with the horse is bamboo. And bamboo is very, very soft and it's breathable. It also controls sweat and it absorbs more moisture than cotton or polyester type materials. It's easier to wash and it dries faster than normal fabric does. And another added benefit of bamboo is it's actually antibacterial, it's anti-static, and it also doesn't absorb odor. So not so much odor in the saddle pad, which I'm sure you've had that where you can smell the saddle pads. So this is just beautiful. I can't say that enough. I'm in love with this saddle pad. So this is the saddle pad, and of course I had to get the matching ear bonnet too. So this is the saddle pad and ear bonnet. Isn't that awesome? And it even came on an ear bonnet hanger, which is so nice because it helps to keep the shape of the ear bonnet. So that is really nice to have. I think I'm going to have to get more of these or make some for my ear bonnets because that is just very, very nice to have. So this is the ear bonnet. This is the Lorie ear bonnet by LeMieux. And what makes this a little bit different than the regular ear bonnets is the ears are a lycra material, and then it has this fancy little LeMieux emblem on it, just like the saddle pad does. And it has a satin insert on the front of the ear bonnet as well. It matches perfectly, so I think now we're gonna have to go put it on Pleasant. and see how he looks in ink blue. All right, so that is it. That is Pleasant wearing the ink blue Lorie saddle pad and ear bonnet from LeMieux. And again, these are new colors from their 2020 fall collection. At one time they had the Mulberry, and I absolutely love that color. Unfortunately, I didn't get it when they had it, and now it's really hard, if not impossible, to find. So I'm really excited that I was actually able to show these to you. And if these are something that you're looking for, I would highly encourage you to go check out LeMieux's website. It was really affordable to buy both the saddle pad and the ear bonnet from LeMieux directly instead of going through an online retailer. Now, I did have to pay a little bit extra for shipping because it does come from the United Kingdom, but this way I made sure that I was able to get the color that I wanted for Pleasant, and I'm so excited that I actually got it. They ship really fast. I think I placed my order on a Thursday and it's Monday and I got the orders. So coming from the United Kingdom, it didn't take any time at all to get to the United States. If you're curious or you're wondering how long it does take them to ship, they ship really fast. And I'm really happy that I have this saddle pad set. Thank you so much for stopping by, taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other DIY projects, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.